How many of you made a mistake? How many of you made a mistake in your academics? Oh, full 100% success rate. 100% success rate. In your exam paper, something went wrong. Instead of pressing cos, you press sine. 20 marks gone in the paper. Engineers know very well what I'm talking about. Instead of pressing one button right, you just press the wrong button, finished. 20 marks gone like that in the exam. We're making a mistake, right? How many of you made mistakes in dealing with your parents by shouting at them and then regretted? Felt really bad. I shouldn't have done that. How many of you have made a mistake by judging your friend wrongly and then feeling that actually मेरी गलती थी उसकी नहीं थी? इधर हाथ नीचे ही नहीं आ रहा है. सब लोग सोचते प्रभु जी बार-बार उठाऊंगा ऐसे ही रखता हूं मैं. For everything the answer is a yes. What's the point in doing this? You know वजन कम हो जाएगा. ऐसे ही रख लेते. So but you're doing pranayam. What's the point? Isn't it? Shh. Possibly we could be making serious mistakes in our life, especially in the zeal of youth, in the super duper enthusiasm, zeal, energy as young men and ladies, for those who are here, young ladies, we could be making some serious mistakes. But what's beautiful in life is life allows us to correct those mistakes. है ना? पेंसिल के पीछे एक रबड़ आता है, रबड़ बोलते थे हम लोग स्कूल में, रबड़. And the first time we got this pencil with a rubber and a razor behind, it's nice because mistakes can be erased. Some mistakes we have made can be corrected. Some mistakes we can't. The consequences are so bad. We just have to now have the support system to handle it. Many mistakes can't even be reversible sometimes, isn't it? इसीलिए हम कई बार कहते हैं, हिंदी में कहते हैं हम कई बार, भूल करना ना प्रकृति है, स्वभाव है अपना. ऐसा कोई है जो भूल नहीं करता? मान लेना ना संस्कृति है. इट्स कल्चर टू एक्सेप्ट दैट आई मेड अ मिस्टेक. कई लोग तो मिस्टेक मानते ही नहीं. दे डोंट एक्सेप्ट दे मेड अ मिस्टेक. भूल करना प्रकृति है, मान लेना संस्कृति है और सुधार लेना प्रगति है. देवियों सज्जनों, अगर हम उस गलती को मान ले और सुधार ले, उसको प्रगतिशील जीवन कहते हैं. प्रोग्रेसिव लाइफ इज टू एक्सेप्ट दैट आई मेड अ मिस्टेक and to try and not repeat it again and improve in the area that we made a mistake.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest update.